Sir Dan, okay, ano po yung pinaka nagiging concern ninyo? Bakit po kayo napapunta sa ating clinic?
May parang hindi ko makukuha yung full range dito sa ankle ko kasi nagka-ankle sprain ako
Nagka-ankle
before.
sprain kayo, okay?
So, yun nga, nadi-derail ako sa mga kaya kong gawin dati. Ngayon, hindi ko siya masyadong
Hindi mo siya masyadong magawa, okay? Good morning, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Now, andito tayo sa clinic. Kasama natin si Sir.
Dan Sara.
Si Dan. So, Sir Dan, okay, ano po yung pinaka nagiging concern ninyo? Bakit po kayo napapunta sa ating clinic?
May parang hindi ko makukuha yung full range dito sa ankle ko kasi nagka-ankle sprain ako
Nagka-ankle
before.
sprain kayo, okay?
So, yun nga, nadi-derail ako sa mga kaya kong gawin dati. Ngayon, hindi ko siya masyadong
Hindi mo siya masyadong magawa, okay? Sige, alin pa bukod dito? Meron ka bang nangangalay na parts or disorders of something sa katawan? Sa likod, sa upper extremities,
siguro sa
ganyan?
mga hips ko po. Medyo pagod na ako. Yun na yung inaano na tumitigas.
Medyo mabigat?
Yeah, tumitigas. Yun lang.
Okay. And then, wala naman.
Wala na po. Yun.
Very good. So, ang pinaka-concern ni Sir Dan is history of ankle sprain. Up until now, ay meron pa rin something else na nagbabother. Okay? Sige, titignan natin lahat, ano? At magkakaroon tayo ng physical examination. Ready na po kayo?
Yep.
Posture up. Kapag ka nakaganito, kamusta po ito?
Wala naman.
Wala naman.
Walang-
Very good. Turn to your left, to your right. Sa tingin niyo po, may masikip po ba? Ganyan. Wala naman.
Wala naman.
Very good. Tingala. Ang normal is about 45 degrees extension right there. How is it?
Ito, may
May tension?
Oo, may tension na
Right
dito.
there. Okay? Sige, yuko. Here. Yan. Kamusta po ito?
Dito pa din.
More of here.
Here.
Yan. This is our limit.
Here, wala naman akong
Very
nafe-feel.
good. At least, ang pinaka-sign kapag ka merong connection dito ay nangyayari is unstable support ng ating muscles and spine. But if not, or wala naman, ibig sabihin, dito lang yung
Dito,
tension at saka dahil lang sa kung ano yung mga position sa tulog and everything na physical activities natin. Okay? Now, check natin yung traps muscles nyo. Ito. Go all the way up. Yan, tikit sa tenga. Ayan. Hindi kaya?
Hindi kaya.
Yan, same kayo ni Acuna, nila Sir Wilson. Ang problema, which is kapag nag-gym tayo or practice and everything, lahat ng bugbog na muscles, especially upper extremities, like this one, our traps muscles, nagiging tight talaga. Sige, mula sa harap. Inhale, lagpas sa tenga.
Yan lang.
Medyo limited. Okay, at saka masikip.
Here.
Okay. Now, check your lateral and rhomboid. Yan, very good naman ito. Pero kamusta ito?
Wala.
Very good. Sige, kabila. How is it?
Wala.
Very nice. Okay. So ngayon ay very clear ang kanyang lower back. Wala naman tayong problema doon. At general lang kung ano yung technique na gagawin natin dito. But this one, we have to take advanced technique sa kung ano yung muscles natin. Okay? So we have a different technique for muscle releasing. Okay? Unlike dun sa mga traditional massage na nararanasan natin, iba yung technique natin para mas mabilis at maiwasan natin yung soreness at pagkabugbog ng muscles. Alright? Stand up. Now, let's see your ankle. Okay, 1 foot up. Sige. Let's see the balance. Good. Kamusta yung ankle mo kapag ka nagbabalance ng ganyan? At may
Wala ako talagang nafe-feel.
Very
Yun lang
good.
talaga yung problem ko if I go full range sa
Okay,
pag-bend.
sige, ganito tayo. Here. Go. Up.
Yan.
How was it?
Yun, meron na.
May konti.
May
Saan ang gagaling? Sa harapan,
Here.
sa likod?
Ito.
Okay, sige. Ngayon, sa harap. Ito. Okay, down. How's your knees? Nothing?
Wala natin.
Very good. So ngayon, ito yung gagawin mo. Here. This one. Okay? Here. Yan. Sit down. Okay, up. Hindi kaya.
Hindi
Okay?
na kaya.
Ano yung pinaka-awkward? Doon sa ankle o dito sa may upper hip? Let's see, go.
Dito sa ankle. Ankle.
Ankle. Okay? Tignan natin kung itataas natin yung isang ankle. Okay? Here. Taas mo ito. Okay.
Yun lang. Walang balance.
Okay, walang balance. At the same time, compress and
Dito.
yung lower.
Dito.
Hindi yung sacrum, yung sacrum 1 at saka lumbar 5. Yun din yung pinaka-i-unlock natin.
Okay.
Mamaya titignan natin kung magagawa mo ito ulit.
Okay.
Okay? Tapos ngayon, ito last. Para sa iyong ankle. Sabihin mo kung gaano ka pain or gaano ka sikip. 1 to 10. 10 yung pinaka-highest. Ano? Ito, gawin mo to. Launching. Yan. Okay.
Hanggang dyan lang po.
Hanggang dito lang. Okay? Dapat nakalapat. Tapos, tutupi ito.
Hindi dito lang talaga.
Okay. Sige. Alright. Sobrang compress. Sikip.
Sikip.
Okay? Sige, good. So, ang pinakauna nating i-check, more of upper extremities, lower extremities, especially itong inner hip and iliac crest. Okay?
Yes po.
Para lahat ng dynamic movements, especially walking and running,
Right.
magagawa mo
Yapo.
freely dito
Yes.
sa inner hip. Alright?
Yes.
Sige, ready ka na?
Ready? Okay na po.
Nice. Okay. Lower extremities and muscles and joints. So here, iliac crest, rotation ng pelvis, at saka yung ating sacrum. Taas niyo po ito. Yan. Diretso, up.
Yan lang po.
Yan lang. Okay. Mabigat?
Ano siya? Tight.
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 Okay, sige, kabila. Yan.
Ito,
So,
mas
ito medyo mas okay.
Lagi ko kasing win-workout. Kasi gumagawa ng dito yung bad leg.
Hindi na lahat
Oo.
sa left side. Okay. So, ngayon, ang pinaka-i-check natin, naayusin natin ito para at least maitaas mo ito ng gusto. Yan. Hanggang dito dapat yung pinaka-rotation na normal.
Okay.
Okay? Masakit ba?
Hindi naman.
Hindi
Tight
naman.
lang.
Sobrang tight lang. Saan? Sa quads ba natin or dito sa glutes?
Glutes.
First, ganito yung gagawin natin. First adjustment, which is our iliac crest. Right there. Okay. Here. Good one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax down. Good. Nice. So that's for your lumbar vertebrae 5.
Yes.
Okay? Tapos yung iliac crest natin. Alright? Tignan natin sa left. Right there. Alright. Ready? Inhale again. Exhale. Good one. Clear. Very clear. Ngayon, focus tayo sa right side. With your quads, okay, and your iliac crest. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Sige, let it out. Nakakatulong yung exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Relax. Nice. Kabila tayo. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. Okay. So now, we have to release your L5 saka sacrum 1. And then sa pubic bone. Saka yung pinakadulo ng ating tailbone. Yung tinatawag na coccyx. Okay? Pinataas ko yung tig-isang paa. Okay? Ngayon, itataas mo sabay. Dalawa.
Sabay.
Okay? Tapos titigasan mo yung puwetan mo. Okay? Ready? Go up. Sige, diretso yung tuhod. Diretso yung tuhod. Yan, tigasan yung puwet. Tigasan yung puwet. Nice. Good. Release lang natin lahat ng tension with your rib. Lower, right here. Sige. Inhale again. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Let it out. Inhale. Exhale. Clear. Good. Clear. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Nice one. Good. Down. Here. Last two. Last one. Clear. Good. Alright? How's this one? Okay? I will push this one, twist this one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Okay. So, very good. Wala masyado. Inhale. Exhale. Down. Good one. Okay. So, very tight lang ito ng konti. Ibang technique yung gagamitin natin later. Natin here. Push this up. Yan. Relax. Right here. I will open your disc joint. Sige, relax lang ito. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Nice. Right there. Okay. Opening. Mas lower tayo sa may cervical 5. Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Nice. Ready? Ito. Up. Sige,
Yan
up.
po.
How is it now?
Malumuwag.
Good. Mas gumaan.
Yes.
Okay, sige, kabila. Go. Yan.
Yes.
Mas okay pa
Mas
ito.
taas,
Good. So, kanina, yung right side mo ay hindi mo masyadong maitaas at saka medyo mabigat. Okay? So, ngayon ay at least nag-loosen up na lahat ng mga joints
Yes.
na sumusuporta sa ating lower extremities. Okay?
Yes.
Good. Ngayon ay uupo ka na. Okay, let's see this one. Kasi medyo tight yung konti sa taas. Right over left, yakap. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Ako. Yan. Right there. Good. Ready? Inhale. Exhale, yoko. Yoko. Good. Inhale again. Exhale. Oh! Nice. Ready again. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Here, open na yung kamay. Pairam ako ng iyong batok. Yun. Okay, hawak sa akin. Sa batok. Yan, ibaba ang siko. Ilock. Good. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Nice. What is it? Ngayon ay hihiga ka na. Ihaya. Face up. Push something else here with our cuboid. Ligament support. How's this?
Pain-wise, wala.
Okay?
Two?
Two.
One.
Okay. Here.
Two, three.
Two. Okay. Here.
Wala.
Nothing. Good. Right here. Nothing.
Wala naman po.
Very nice. Okay. Right there.
Yan, meron.
Sa lower side.
Eh,
Okay? Part ng heel or carcalus. Sa likod. Here.
meron. Konti.
Meron.
Oh.
Konti. Okay, so yung pinaka problema. Connected sa ating metatarsals and navicular bones. Okay? Here. Okay, so ganito yung magiging proseso natin. Gagawin natin sa kabila bago tayo dito.
Okay.
Para at least alam mo.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Good.
Oh.
Nice. Okay? Next is our metatarsal. So first is ito. Right there. Upper side.
Ah.
Nice. Good?
Good.
Kabila. Here. Lower metatarsal. Yun, meron na. Nice one.
Nice.
Okay?
Meron.
Navicular bone. Here. Clear. Ito. Okay? Next is right here. So, ito yung katulad nung sa kabila.
Kabila.
Right there. Let's see, ano? Relax. Clear. Good. Okay. Next for our talus bone. Dito yan, sa gitna. Saka doon. Okay? Right there. Relax mo ito. Yep.
Oh. Nice.
How is it?
Lakas.
Next, our cuboid. This one is our cuboid. Here, upper side. Relax mo itong legs. Upper side. Good one.
Ah.
Nice.
Ah.
You good?
Good.
Okay. Last is for your calcaneus or yung heel natin. Okay? Sige. Right here. Good. And then, we turn in. Okay? Para kumonekta saan? Sa iyong inner hip joint. Okay? Turn in. Good one.
Oh.
Nice one. Naramdaman mo dyan?
Yes po.
Nag-hold. Good. Good one. Right here. Good. Next, our metatarsal. Right here. Okay? Relax. Here. Any pain?
Nothing.
Nothing? Good. Okay, clear. Good. Clear sa lower side. Ito, connected na yun dyan. Wait lang ha. So, ito muna yung uunahin natin. Here. Okay, push this one. Opening. Any pain in here?
Wala po.
Good. Relax. Clear. Good. Nice. Good. Middle side. Let's see. Nice. Okay. Next for navicular bone. So right here. Let's see this one. Nice.
Ah.
You good?
Okay po.
Next, for your talus bone, right here. Let's see. Yeah. Any pain?
Wala naman.
Tight.
Tight, yeah.
Okay? Sige. Loosen up this one. Relax it down. Okay. Compress. Narinig mo to? Tignan natin yung pinaka-inner. May pain ba doon?
Yung dito lang po talaga.
Yep.
Ito.
Okay. Sige, relax. Inner side. Here. And then last one is the outer side. Right there. Any pain? Good. Clear na. Okay. Next, our cuboid. Okay, upper side. Good.
Yun.
See?
Yes.
Okay. Last one, mas upper and inner side. Good. Good one.
Yun.
Okay. Last one is right here. This one. So push it this one. Good. Okay. And last is our heel. Go flex. I-prepare muna natin kasi sobrang compress.
Oh.
At naninigas na yung kanyang ligament support. Very good. Rotation and lateral. Flexor and extension. Relax. Good. Extension. Okay. Right there. Relax. Mas malalim na part sa ating cuboid, upper side. Relax ito.
Ah.
Good.
Wow.
Nice. Hold this one. Yep. Center. Good. Hold it. Center. Hold it. Good. Relax. Ready? Good. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang flex. Good one.
Ah.
Okay. And then turning in. So turn right there. Good one. Okay. Sige. Relax. Turn right there. Good. Last one. Stretch it.
Oh.
You good?
Good po.
Right here. Okay. Any pain?
Yun, medyo mapdi.
Sa dulo. Tama?
Yeah, pababa. Yung pababa.
Okay. Pero I'll give the best recommendation for remedies
Mhm.
everyday routine para mas maging loosen to. Pero for now, this one is very good. May check natin ulit kung mas naging okay na. Okay, right here. Relax. Turn. Good. Any pain?
No pain.
Good.
Oh.
Nice. Okay. Here. Turn in.
Ah.
Good. Stretch. Last one. Good. Relax.
Oh. Good.
Let's check natin yung inner hip mo
Mm.
para makita natin kung nagko-compress na ba or nagkakaroon na ba ng something else. Okay? Para at least pag naglaro ka ulit, eh, okay na lahat. Hindi yung isa ay okay tapos yung isa
Oo,
na
ayun, hindi.
compress. Okay?
Oh.
Nice.
Nice.
Here. Okay, so that's distressing and realignment with your tibial bone and fibula bone. Nagkakaroon siya ng deformation or umiikot pa outer or pa inner side. Yun yung mga tinatawag na pronated.
Ah.
Sabihin, hindi align yung mismong ankle papunta dito sa ating. Kumaga nakalihis ng ganun o kaya nakalaganyan. Hindi siya pantay. Okay? Sige. Yan. At maiwasan natin yung pagkakaroon ng injuries with your knees. Okay? Relax. You have to prepare it and release those. Nice. Good. Ang pinaka-ilulose natin is your sacroiliac joint. Sige. This is our sacroiliac joint right there. Nice.
Oo.
Good. Inhale. Exhale. Huwag mong titira ng hangin. Inhale. Exhale. Good. How's your glutes? Okay lang?
Medyo okay na.
Okay, good.
I've improved na, nag-improve na.
Okay. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax mo yung iyong lower extremities. Let it out lahat. Okay? Hawak sa akin. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. Saan mo siya naramdaman? Yes. That's your lumbar decompression. How is it?
Good.
Yung ating mga trigger points na tinatawag. So first is here. 1. Pain.
Little pain.
Little. Number 2.
Same.
3.
Medyo.
4. 5.
Wala.
Wala. Traps muscle.
Wala.
Main muscle.
Meron.
Ooh. And acromion.
Meron.
Meron. Okay, kabila. So first, 1. How's this?
Meron.
Number 2.
Yan.
Number 3. Number 4. And 5.
Yan, meron.
Traps it. Muscle. Main. Oh, here. Or off. Left. Unahin natin yung left. Okay? So this is your cervical number 1. Ipapwesto lang muna natin. Here. This is your middle number 3. Cervical 3. Right there. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Relax the shoulder. Good one.
Nice.
Right there. So this one is medyo upper side tayo ng konti. Right there. Okay? Here. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good one.
Nice.
Kakaroon tayo ng manual traction or stretching with your cervical spine or sa leeg. Here. So this kind of technique is a different technique with those napapanood natin. Okay? Kasi ang laging nakikita natin is yung sobrang pwersadong paghahatak. So ang kailangan is calculating your puwersa na kailangan i-apply sa isang pasyente. Because a different patient build or body build is a different approach.
Yes.
Okay? Okay, bite your teeth. Bite. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Relax ang shoulder. Bounce it. Good one. Alright, good. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale. Bounce it. Good one.
Sarap.
Relax. This is our levator muscle. How's this?
No pain.
Nakikita ko sa profile niya. Kia Picante.
Oo.
Ano yun? Yes. Good. Hindi na kasi masyado nanonood ng PBA. Wala nang time.
Wala.
Relax. Okay? Good. So now, we have to release your traps muscles. Ready? Go up. Sige, up. Yan. Sideward down. Good. Ngayon, i-engage mo yung iyong muscles. Close fist. Here. Para siyang lalabanan. Lalabanan mo yung pagpindot mo.
Okay po.
Go up. Very good. Okay. Downside. Dahan-dahan. Very nice. Relax ang kamay. Last one up. All the way. Down. How was it now? Mas smooth na.
Oo.
Good. Ready?
Good.
Let's see this one. See this one?
Okay.
Here. Okay? Sige. Same. Ready? Up. Go. Sideward down. Yan. Now, engage. Ready? Go up. Downside. Good. Relax ang kamay. Go up. Wow. How is it now?
Wala nang tunog-tunog.
At saka yung daanan ng muscle fiber ay very good na. So, number 1, how's this?
Wala.
Nothing. 2, 3, 4,
Wala.
and 5. What's the difference? Good? 1.
Wala na yung pain.
Nice. 2,
Wala.
3, 4,
Wala.
and 5.
Wala.
See? That's it. Kanina sensitive.
Sensitive,
Tama,
yes,
pagkapindot ko ay may pain.
May
levels
pain.
na. Very good. Here. Okay. Very nice. Ang lambot na. Okay. Good. So now, hawak sa bewang. Sige. Ready?
Go.
Pigil. Pigil pa. Lakas. 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 Nice.
Oh! Ayun pala yun.
Sige, go. Lakas pa. Nice.
Mm.
That's it. Our upper acromioclavicular joint. Turn in, stretch it up. Clear. Good. Clear. And clear. And then rotator cuff lower. Yoko. Yoko. Good one.
Mm.
Nice. Clear. Good one. And here. Yoko, yoko, yoko.
Mm.
Nice. Last is our ears. So, re-release natin yung ear pressure at yung ating, okay? Relax ito. Snap it, snap it, snap it. Good. Very clear. Yeah. Okay, good. So, at least walang disorder masyado sa iyong tenga. At the same time, ay wala masyadong stress or nagkakaroon ng migraine na malala
Oo.
with your temple and levator muscles. Alright, now, very nice. So, Rock Nation, we're done with Sir.
Dan Sara.
Yan, so Sir Dan, kamusta po yung pinaka-experience ng ating therapy?
Ako, feeling kong gan-gan ko.
Nice.
Nag-loosen up talaga yung mga recommended po talaga.
Nice one. Okay, so magkakaroon tayo ng physical test again to confirm everything. Ready? Posture up. Yan. Tingin sa left, tingin sa right. How was it?
Okay po.
Ngayon, the moment of truth, tingala. Sige, go. Push it. Nice. How was it?
Wala na dito.
Nakakalingon ka na ng
Oo.
gusto. Okay? Normal na yun. 45 degrees. Extension.
wala na.
Very nice. Okay? Yuko. Yan. Push it. How was this?
Wala na din.
Good.
Like, not kanina na medyo masikip. Ngayon, ano talaga.
Nice.
Free na siya, free.
Posture up again. Ngayon, check natin yung traps mo. Okay? Here. Ready? Kanina ay hindi mo madikit sa tenga.
Oo.
Let's see. Dikit sa tenga.
Ayun.
How is it now?
Ayun, dikit na.
Very good. Okay. Sige. Anong pakiramdam ng traps mo?
Hindi
Muscles.
siya, like, tight. Hindi siya tight.
Very good.
Ano
Hindi
siya?
rin matigas.
Hindi matigas.
Very nice. Ngayon, ilalagpas sa tenga. Ready?
Ah,
This one. Go. Up. Wow. How's the movement?
Yan. Okay na.
Down.
Okay talaga.
Yung sikip, kamusta?
wala man.
Very good. Very good. Check natin yung iyong paa. So, kanina, wala ka namang nararamdaman.
Wala.
Like this one. Sige, go up. Yan. Kamusta yung tension?
Okay
Balance?
lang.
Mas stable?
Yeah.
Good. Sige. Down. Up. How is it now?
Wala naman akong medyo lakas siya.
Very good. Okay? Ngayon, check natin ito. Sige. Here. Sige, relax ha. Ngayon, sit down.
Ayun!
How was it? Up.
Okay. Kuha ko na.
Thank you so much for trusting.
Thank you.
Happy ka
Thank you.
naman?
Happy, sobrang happy.
Satisfied
Most
ka naman?
recommended. Oh,
Good.
satisfied.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
satisfied.